Okay, converting fractions to percentage. Okay, let's see one example here why we should be converting fractions to percentage. Anil and Beena are brother and sisters but studying in two different schools. Both have maths test and Anil gets 82 marks out of his 100-mark paper. But Beena gets only 68 marks in her 80 marks paper. Who does better? Anil 82 marks and Beena 68 marks? Well, it seems Anil has done better. Now has he? Let's find out. For this, we'll have to convert both of them into percentage. Okay, so how do we do this? Anil gets 82 out of 100 multiplied by 100. To convert this into percentage, we must have this fraction multiplied by 100, which is 82%, because 0 and 0 cancel and becomes 82. Anil gets 82%. Let's see what Beena gets. Beena, what are the marks she's got? She's got 68 out of 80 multiplied by 100. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 4s are, 2 5s are, and 4 1s are, and 4 7s are. So 17 into 5 is 85%. Oh God, Beena has done better. Okay, so in order to know the exact percentage of a fraction, we must multiply the fraction by 100. Let us take another example. I mean, this is now clear. So that is why we must divide. So 8 upon say 25 multiplied by 100. 25 fours are, so that is 32%. If you wish, we can have a small example here. 7 upon 20 multiplied by 100. We convert 7 upon 20 into percentage, and 25s are 100, so that is 35%. Okay, so that's how you convert. Suppose you have one more, let us say one more, 15 upon 10. Here the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Here the numerator was less than the denominator, but the method remains same. Multiplied by 100, so 10 tens are, and that will be 150%. Okay. How do we get 150%? Let's take an example. Suppose the rainfall in a city, the average rainfall in a city is 10 inches, but that year the city gets 15 inches, which is more than the average. So if you calculate the percentage, it will be 150%, so more than the actual average. So this is converting fractions into percentages.